What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. What we're doing today, we're doing something a little different. Basically, we're just gonna be going on Instagram, going on people's accounts, and basically just seeing, like, we'll be judging their cars. Basically, be like, if they're cool, nice, what the heck is that? Why'd you do that? Blah blah. Just fun little thing. Nothing's gonna be really that serious. Just a little fun thing to do. So let's get into it. All right. So let's see what we got here. Let's go through my followers real quick here. We're gonna let's see. Let's go this guy. Private account. That's not nice. All right. Try to? Nah, no. Nothing really here. Alright, here's one right here. Let's see. Oh, Mustang parts. Alright, well, let's see. Alright. So we got this car here. I think it looks good. It looks pretty good condition. A little dirty, nothing major. It's manual. Maybe needs a little fixing right here near the what do you call it? Rearview mirror. Nothing wrong. Engine's in perfect shape. That's all that matters. Now that's most of the money right there. That tail light, that's terrible. Like, it's missing a tail light. That's ridiculous. Well, let's see what it says. Check out this transformation 1993 Cobra before and after we did the swap. Wait, what? Hold on, wait. Check out this transformation 1993 Cobra before and after we did the swap. If that's not motivation for you, I don't know what is. Shoot an offer on any parts you want. So I think he's saying just check out the transformation they've done, but this is not a 1993 Cobra. This is like I know it's like 2000, maybe 12, something like that. GT500. I'm not sure exactly the years of the GT500s, but this is no 1993 car. Let's say that. All right, let's go to the next one. See, all right, our next victim of choice is gonna be let's see, red Mustang. I like red Mustangs. All right, so let's see. This guy is La Layla S550. Let's see. All right. Well, listen, I have a soft spot for red Mustangs. I love red Mustangs. I don't like this year. I hate the headlights of this year. I don't like the way the hood just dives down. I like the way like my Mustang is. Like the 15 to 17 is how the hood comes out a little bit more, and then dive bombs slightly, not too much either. Then the headlights, I kind of like the headlights. The headlights look mean. Yeah, those are pretty neat to me. But other than that, I don't like the whole hood thing. I don't like the way they transform the front end. So like this here. Here we go. Perfect example. See, so like right here, you got the nice hood goes here, and then dive bomb. Then you got the nice. To me it's more slicker. The other one's a little more like, they're trying to go for more of a slicker, like a more aerodynamic look to the car. To me, I think this is just, this gives a perfect boxiness and perfect aerodynamics to everything with all these nice grooves inside. I do like these rims. I do actually like these rims. These probably be the rims I would get for my drag car. Probably be the ones I would probably get. It looks like it has some type of, is that Acura? I'm not sure. Don't judge me. I'm not like the the most knowledgeable on like car brands, but it's an Acura. I'm not sure. I'm not quite sure. Going for the next victim of choice. Let's go for the next victim. Let's go to LaFord's garage. See what he has. Looks like he has. That's a Honda. What is this? Integra. I think my dad had one. Oh, never mind. No. No, that's not the one I was thinking of. Wait, does this say, it says LaFord Garage, and there's no Fords? No, that's a Honda, I believe. These are all very disappointment. I was expecting to see Fords on this page, so we're just going out of here. JDM. All right, so let's see what this guy's got here. So even cooler. All right, so he's modifying his Miata. Looks like. Oh, that oil does not look happy. Only don't replace your rear main seal while you have a transmission out if it needs to be replaced. So looks like this guy's just doing a whole thing to his car. I'm really missing Meep right now, actually, looking at these pictures. Ah, Meep. Poor Meep. But, Miata. Your casual Miata. This actually was just like my Miata, except it looks a little nicer on that part. Yeah. Alright, so listen. Mine was cracked. I fixed it. I painted it, made it look very nice. This guy could do the same thing. The badges, you scrape off and put them back on. You know, good to go. Yeah, I don't know how people crack these things. I don't know how you crack them. I know how mine cracked. The guy put the hood thingamajiggy on it, closed it down, and cracked it because he didn't set it right. Looks like he had another Miata here. A Honda. Yeah, it's a nice little garage set. Hello friends, welcome to my Miata page. This is basically going to be my place to post our car pics and keep track of my progress over time. So enjoy. We will enjoy, buddy. I've enjoyed actually looking at your Miata here because actually it looks like you're making a nice Miata. Well, listen, congrats. Hopefully this guy gets his Miata going really good, and like I said, wish there's a little more pics of like doing the turbo stuff. I don't know if he's done it yet. I'm assuming he's not, but this is a nice engine though. This is actually a really well. A little dirty in there, but really well, nice engine bay, I'll say. Engine bay looks good. Oh, Red Beast 530. Oh my God, 530. Let's see. I like Challengers. I do like my Challengers, and I would never get one probably. I probably would actually. I can't say I wouldn't. But let's see what it looks like. All right, so he's got some. Listen, I get it. You're advertising, blah blah. But when you're that into detailing a car, you don't put your stuff on your car like this. You scratch it that way. You don't ever put something on your car, even when you're advertising. You'll put something down underneath it that wouldn't make it scratch the car. Now, so I understand that. People are really into detailing. Listen, I'm only kidding. This is not cool. Like, you know, I probably would do it too. But listen, you should never do it. Scratch your car. You're advertising detailing products while also scratching your car. Your detailing products are scratching your car. Why am I gonna buy it? Oh, it uses AMSOIL. That's a big thing. I love AMSOIL. It solves a lot of my car issues actually. Oil pressure issues, everything like that. Really did do his job. Looks like right here he's painting some calipers. Looks like he painted some calipers here. Doing some work to it. Doing some little work. I don't know what engine. It's a Hemi, so the Hemi is the V8. Now, one thing I hate about Dodge is they have 2 spark plugs per cylinder, which I think is stupid. Like, why would you put 2 spark plugs per cylinder? And why can't you just, everyone, even performance engines, use just 1 spark plug? Let's see with this guy. This looks like it'd be a car account. All right. Okay. Now, like little flames here. We got a little flame action going on there. You can't use this sound? Yeah, I bet I won't use that sound. You're right. Oh. That's just a bad day. Hood broke. Oh, the hood. That's always a bad day. Listen, when the hood flies up and hits your window, it's always a bad day. I will not disagree with that. You know, I will say this car looks nice. This car actually looks very nice. Let's see the burnout. Let's see the burnout. Let's go. Let's see it. There it is. And you're getting some smoke. Are both wheels spinning? Now that's the real question. Are they both spinning? Well, the world may never know. Sheesh. That's right. Oh, look at this thing. Oh, whoa, what does he have done to this thing? Oh, it's an S550. Oh, it's an S550 it looks like. Oh, hold on. What does he have done to this thing here? Is this the same one I just saw, or is this probably, it's probably a different one? It's definitely a different one. I don't know what this is. It looks like... what is this? Oh, yeah, this is too. Holly Ford Fest? Interesting. Yeah, so he does some quadding and stuff like that. I don't know. I think this is actually one of the best pages I think we've looked at so far. I really enjoyed this one actually. All right, well, Austin V, you are a good man. I'll follow you. I'll follow you, buddy. That looks like a pretty damn cool cars you got. So there's your follow. But guys, listen, I'm gonna end the video up there because I don't want to make this thing like a super long video because it's probably not gonna be entertaining at all to you guys. So who knows? It may be entertaining. Let me know down in the comments if this is even entertaining or not. Let me know if you guys want to recommend anything, like, you know, any specific channels, pages you want me to go on to, your own account. Do you want me to go on your own account? I'll judge your car. Make sure nothing inappropriate on your account because then I can't show it on the video. So then, blah 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 blah. So if you guys want anything specific, comment down below what you want to see or what you want me to post on here. not post on here, just show you guys on here. So other than that, guys, listen, if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like down below, comment down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.